Now let's talk settings. The OPPO Find X5 Pro comes with multiple camera options to capture the perfect shot. The two options available are the native camera mode as well as the Pro Movie mode. When you open the camera app, the device will be set to the native video mode. Here you can change the resolution to shoot in 720p, 1080p or 4K. Personally, I'm always going to recommend shooting in 4K for the best quality footage. You can also alter your frame rate between 30 frames and 60 frames a second. I would recommend picking a frame rate based on the scene that you're shooting. If your shot requires fast movement or slow motion in post-production, I'd always recommend shooting at 60 frames per second to achieve those epic cinematic shots. If you're looking for more control over your video settings, it's best to shoot in the Pro Movie mode. This allows you to adjust multiple settings including ISO, shutter speed and your white balance. To access the Pro Movie mode, open the camera app and scroll right to select More. From here, you can select Movie from the grid displayed. In order to gain more dynamic range and freedom in post-production, I'd recommend shooting in a log profile. You can amend your ISO here, but I would always personally recommend leaving this as low as possible to reduce noise within your image. Select this area here to amend the shutter speed to suit the scene. Generally, white balance on the OPPO Find X5 Pro is fantastic, but if it seems off, you can amend it here. In addition, you have the option to monitor exposure on the histogram on the bottom right of the screen. This enables you to see if your shadows or highlights are under or overexposed. When using either the native video app or the Pro Movie mode, I always recommend turning on the grids and guides to help you apply the rule of thirds. This concept breaks your image down into both horizontal and vertical thirds, showing 9 sections with 4 intersecting points. This is where your viewer's eyes are naturally drawn, so you should place your focal subject of your scene here. Personally, I like to shoot with the Pro Movie mode on the OPPO Find X5 Pro. This allows me to have more control of the camera settings and more freedom in post-production when editing.